In this video, I'll walk you through how to change your button layout and remap controls in Battlefield RedSec. From the Battlefield RedSec home screen, move over to the Settings menu. Once you're there, you'll see options for both controller and keyboard and mouse setups. You can choose which one you want to customize. Let's start with the keyboard and mouse. Open the mouse and keyboard section, then look for the infantry or vehicle keybinds options. You'll see two categories here: infantry, passenger, and vehicle.passenger. Select the one you want to change, and from there, you can edit every key binding to your liking. You can reassign movement keys, weapon controls, vehicle steering, or anything else that fits your playstyle. If you're playing with a controller, the process is just as simple. Go to the controller settings found on the left side of the menu, then select Edit Settings. Inside, you can open your infantry configuration to adjust specific actions like sprinting, crouching, aiming, or any other controls you prefer to change. If you want even more control, choose the control mapping option to fully customize your layout. Once you're done, make sure to test your setup in a quick match or practice range to see how it feels. You can always return to the same menu and tweak it again until it feels right for you. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.